How to detach a tmux session that itself already in a tmux. I've opened a tmux session on my local machine and SSHD into the remote machine. After this, I typed tmux attach on the remote machine, then I got a remote tmux session on my local tmux session. Now I want to detach from the remote tmux session. I've tried Ctrl+VD but it detached my local tmux session rather than the remote one. How can I detach the remote tmux session?
Ctrl+B, Ctrl+VD. Assuming default bindings. The first Ctrl+B is interpreted by your local tmux because it is the first to see all your keystrokes. The second Ctrl+B is a command that causes your local tmux to send a Ctrl+B to its active pane. This generated Ctrl+B arrives at the remote tmux. The D passes through the local tmux unchanged. When it gets to the remote tmux, it triggers the detach command. You type Ctrl+B. Your local tmux interprets it as the prefix key. Nothing is sent to the processes running under the local tmux. You type Ctrl+B. Your local tmux has it bound to the send prefix command. Your local tmux sends a Ctrl+B to the process running in the active pane, SSH. SSH forwards it, through SSHD, etc., to the process running on the remote tmux. Your remote tmux interprets it as the prefix key. Nothing is sent to the processes running under the remote tmux. You type D. Your local tmux passes it through normally, since the second Ctrl+B finished a full command key sequence for the local tmux. Your remote tmux has it bound to detach client. It detaches the active client. This is the same as when you need to send a Ctrl+B to any program running inside a tmux session. If you wanted to send Ctrl+B to your normal shell, for example because your shell is using Emacs style editing where Ctrl+B is backward char, and you dislike using the arrow keys, you would need to use Ctrl+B, Ctrl+B to get a single Ctrl+B to the shell.
Another way to do it without worrying about the key bindings making it to the right tmux instance is to type tmux detach in the remote tmux session.
I tried the first answer without success. I was able to get the results I wanted by doing the following. Tmux attach. I entered tmux and saw the other session was still attached. So I detached my current session to get back to a shell, Ctrl+BD. Then I issued the following, tmux attach G. This says to attach to the default session, and attach all other sessions currently attached. See the man page under clients and sessions. Attach session, Dr. T target session, alias, attach. If run from outside tmux, create a new client in the current terminal and attach it to target session. If used from inside, switch the current client. If D is specified, any other clients attached to the session are detached. R signifies the client is read-only, only keys bound to the detached client command have any effect.
If you want to try another option, follow below steps. Detach current tmux session with Ctrl+VD. So that you go to normal terminal command line prompt. Do a tmux ls. Look for session that is currently attached. Execute this command to detach the already attached session, tmux detach client s, attached _session _name.
instances